Unlock the ancient wisdom of Vedic mathematics with Shiksha. Are you tired of struggling with complex math problems? Do you want to boost your confidence and master mental calculations like never before? Look no further. Shiksha proudly presents an exclusive Vedic mathematics course that will transform the way you approach math. Join us for an incredible journey into the world of Vedic mathematics. Here's what you can expect from our course. Feature 1. Learn mental calculation mastery. Discover the power of mental calculation mastery. Say goodbye to slow and tedious calculations and hello to lightning-fast solutions. Feature 2. Problem-solving techniques. Equip yourself with advanced problem-solving techniques that will help you tackle even the toughest math challenges with ease. Feature 3. Ancient wisdom meets modern math. Immerse yourself in the ancient wisdom of Vedic mathematics while mastering modern math concepts. It's the perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Feature 4. Stress-free math. Bid farewell to math-induced stress. Our course is designed to make math enjoyable and stress-free. Feature 5. Confidence booster skills. Boost your confidence as you develop exceptional math skills. Watch your self-esteem soar with each problem you conquer. Our Vedic mathematics course runs 2 days a week from 5 p.m. to 5:40 p.m., ensuring that it fits perfectly into your busy schedule. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your math skills and boost your confidence. Enroll in our Vedic mathematics course today. To enroll or learn more, visit our website. Shiksha, where ancient wisdom meets modern mastery. Join us on this incredible journey and unlock your full math potential.